Hello and welcome to my channel. I know I'm sitting in my office corner instead of in the garage, and you're probably asking why I do that. Well, I have an explanation for that. Actually, it happened so fast that I even couldn't believe it myself. The thing is, I accidentally sold my E39. The one random guy in the Facebook was looking for a good car, and I decided to offer him mine just for fun. And after that he seemed quite interested and came to check it out. So he checked the car because it was on the lift. It was so easy to see the bottom, is there rust and stuff like that. And after that he took it for a test drive, came back, made me an offer, I took the offer and sold it. It was really fast, so I was like, oh yeah, okay, so I'm carless. Well, not exactly, but this is not the story I want to share with you. I presume you are asking what I do next. Well, I have also a solution for that. As many of you knows, I have an E30 project, which all started the YouTube thing for me. So I took all the money I got from E39 and I'm gonna invest it to my E30 project. Many of you know that restoring an old car, or in this particular moment restore E30 to make it, I would say, factory perfect again, takes a lot of money, effort and stuff like that. Unfortunately, people won't work for free, and there's a lot of fabrication and welding to do with the car, so I need to pay for that labor. That's why decision was to sell the E39 and invest all the pennies into my future project. I'm pretty sure that I won't regret it in a million years, because driving an E30 is a much more fun than driving an E39. I won't say that the E39 isn't a good car, it is really, but if you compare them, I like E30 more because there's so much mechanical stuff happening while driving. You don't have the driving assistance, nothing. It's a blank metal shell, 4 tires and the steering wheel. And back in the day when they made E30s, the car was a car, not like full of electronic stuff like nowadays. And most of the owners driving like new cars, they don't even like understand how to operate all the buttons. But yeah, well, long story short, the E39 is gone and the E30 project is moving forward again. I hope I'm able to share a video with you soon, what has been done and what's left undone. It's gonna be a long journey. So yeah, this was the small video about what's to come, and I really hope that I'm able to reveal it really soon. So just a little bit patience, please. But yeah, I'll do everything as fast and as best as I can, and I will let you know as soon as everything is, in order. But thanks, cheers, take care, and I hope I see you soon. Ciao.